Oh, Dad, can I have a hug? Oh, nice. Do you see my beard? Where's my beard? Yeah, that's right. Okay, I'm gonna go to the bathroom for just a second, and you can knock on the door if you want. Just a minute. Hi, Dot.
Hi.
Hi.
Who is it?
Do you recognize me? Do you see my face? Oh, can I have a hug?
Oh, you missed the beard. It's okay. Daddy, that's
Kill me.
Dad.
It's Dad.
It's okay. It's okay. It's still me. It's okay. Say hi, Dad. Hi, Dad.
Hi, Dot. Hi.
Hi, Dad. His scarf beard. Bye, beard.
Hi.
Oh, hi.
Hi, where's Dad? Hi, Dad. There he is.
Can I hold you now? Can I have a hug? Can I have a hug? Oh, nice.
Nice. Oh, that's it.
Back to Mom.
Back to Mom.